Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited. I actually haven't opened it yet, so it's going to be a complete surprise to both of us. So let's just run down the logistics. If you don't know what Boxycharm is yet, it's a $25 monthly subscription, or the smallest package is $25, and that's the one I have. It's just called Boxycharm, and it has 5 full-sized items that are valued at $125 or more. And then there's Boxycharm Premium, which is new, that was introduced a couple of months ago, and that one is $35 a month with 6 to 7 full-sized items that are valued at $175 a month. And then so Boxycharm Luxe is you can add that on top of Boxycharm, on top of the regular Boxycharm, and that would be $49.99 a month, and you receive that quarterly. And so basically for that month it'll be $75, and the total value of that box is minimum $275, so $275 or more. If I forgot any information, it'll be down in the description bar, and you'll also be able to sign up down there if you wanted. So yeah, let's get started. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so the theme of the box is breaking the ice, which is like winter. And so let's see what we get. The first thing I see is a Pretty Vulgar concealer. Oh my god, is this a concealer? Yes, Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer. Look at how light this is. This isn't gonna fucking conceal me. Are you kidding me? So I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks very, very light, and that doesn't seem like that's the color for me. Next thing I see in the box is this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. It's a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. So the Pretty Vulgar concealer was $25. I almost forgot to say that. And then this is $28. It's a very large bottle. So I want to see what that's about, because I do like exfoliating a lot. So next I have this Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara, and it's $16. It's a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. It's a quick dry formula, locks and curl, while the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick and separate lash by lash for full feathered fringe. I'm actually going to try this out because I forgot to put mascara on, so we get to test it out today. Wow, I quite like this actually. Don't mind my poor application, but it's really, really pretty. I like that a lot. So I'm actually gonna continue using this now that it's open. I'll add it to my mascara arsenal. Okay, next thing in the box I have is a 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask by the brand Avant. So that's that. I'm kind of like indifferent about this because I just received a sleeping mask not too long ago, the Dr. Brandt one. So I'm not that excited about it, to be honest. So I guess I'll try it out and see if it's better than the Dr. Brandt one, but I just got one a few months ago, so I'm not really that excited about a sleeping mask. The Avant sleeping mask is $107? What? That's crazy. No fucking way. This is $107, guys. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be using this over the Dr. Brandt one and see what the fuck why that costs so much money. That's crazy. And then the last thing I got is this Ace Beauty Starlit Dusk palette. Ooh, that's very pretty. I love the design. Okay, so she's an extremely warm palette. So she's a very, very warm palette, just a bunch of reds and oranges. So it's got like pinks and reds and oranges and a yellow. I don't know, I'll try it, we'll see. And that costed $34.99, the Ace Beauty palette. So the overall value of the box is $210.99. That's crazy. This costed $25. I'm very excited to try the Avant Skincare Renewal Sleeping Mask, because for it to cost $107, I need to see what's going on, what's popping, and I'm trying this out tonight. I'm not very excited about this Pretty Vulgar concealer just because the color is pretty off. The mascara I really actually enjoyed, and I'm gonna finish it. I'm actually gonna keep this in my rotation. In the Ace Beauty, I have like a million warm palettes, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna put one in my crease right now and see the blendability. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Sangria color in my crease. Oh wow, that is pigmented, baby. We're gonna blend it out with Pink Moon. But yeah, that's my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to sign up, I'll most likely have a link down there. I might forget. Don't fight me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like, please subscribe, and peace out, Girl Scout.